Hello and welcome to week 4 in OL 500. So as we're moving along, this is a wonderful week for you. And so I know you're going to be excited about what's going to happen. So on Wednesday, we are going to meet and we are going to focus on the Enneagram, which is a wonderful personality tool that's going to enhance your educational experience as we move through. So we're going to spend a great deal of time on that, but that's not all. This is also the week we start looking at emotional intelligence. This is going to give you an opportunity to look at leading up. We're going to talk about followership, and we're using a couple of ways to accomplish that. Our classroom this week is going to be primarily the Enneagram, so a lot of available resources are already recorded for you. So one of the things that's recorded is going to be an opportunity to look at 6 thinking hats, which is an incredible tool that I've used a number of times in my consulting. It's a great way to achieve what's called parallel thinking. It changes the way we look at everything, from meetings to conversations to incorporating emotional responses into our everyday work. We're going to go over that. We're also going to talk about introductions. You have a PowerPoint that's available to you in your classroom, and I think you're going to find it incredibly helpful. If it isn't enough, don't worry. We have plenty of other resources. You're going to have some readings, some videos, as I said, emotional intelligence. So you'll become acquainted with Daniel Goleman, who is, though he's not the father of emotional intelligence, he certainly has perpetuated it the furthest. So I think you'll enjoy that. And then we are going to talk about Leadership Compass. There's a PowerPoint about a short APA paper, so you can take a look at that. That's contained. If you go, you really need to scroll down through the entire week 4 because there's just so much there. There's something about pronouns, how to eliminate pronouns in your writing. That is an important thing as we move into academic writing, which really doesn't like any pronouns. And then also the idea of credible and non-credible sources. I want you to move away from things like dictionaries, encyclopedia, Wikipedia. I want you to move into peer-reviewed journal articles, and I want you to get a sense of the sources that are out there. You've got a great discussion board this week. It involves the dancing guy, and I think you'll get a kick out of it, but you'll also see, you'll look at followership a lot differently after you do that. You are going to submit parts 4 through 6, and that's going to go in this week as well. You are also going to participate in a course evaluation. That's contained. What I want you to do is, and I can't guarantee you anonymity, though I'm just going to print them all out, and I don't care who says what. All I need from you is for you to complete this and then submit it via email to me. What I'm doing is taking them all together and looking to see how I can improve this course for you. It's really important to me that you get what you want and what you need. And gosh, I think that might actually be all that's required, and we're continuing to move forward with your template on the Leadership Development Action Plan. If you have any questions, you know I'm really here for you. Please let me know. Have a great week. See you Wednesday.